Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Dolan, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon, fellow of the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, and a member of the American Academy of Hip and Knee Replacement Surgeons. Following medical school in Indiana, I completed a 5-year orthopedic residency at Northwestern University in Chicago. I then gained additional expertise in hip and knee replacement surgery at the Hospital for Special Surgery in New York City, which is widely regarded as the best orthopedic hospital in the world. I joined Hope Orthopedics in 2012 and have served as the medical director for the Salem Hospital Joint Replacement Center of Excellence since 2014. I have many interests in joint replacement surgery that I think ultimately serve to improve patients' outcomes. These include minimally invasive surgery, direct anterior hip replacement, outpatient joint replacement, and robotics. As the medical director for the Joint Replacement Center of Excellence, I have led many quality improvement projects that impact our patients. These range from decreasing complications like infection following surgery to improving patients' pain control after surgery. Altogether, this approach allows our patients the best possible outcome following surgery, with a return to the active lifestyle that they deserve.